Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our journal junk extravaganza. We have the journal junk sack, the journal junk box, and the new, although when do I have to quit saying new? It's kind of like New Year's. When do you quit saying Happy New Year's? Probably about the 15th of January for me. This is probably our fourth Kids Creative, so it's not so new anymore, but it's always so good and it's made for kids. Adults can order it too. It's a fantastic box. Let's get into all three of them and check them out. Journal junk boxes are sent to me for review, but because we review them on the channel, we have a code, Catherine Love. With that code, you will get 15% off your first subscription. I will put the link and the code down below. You don't have to remember any of that. We are going to dive right in. We'll start at the top. We're going to do the journal junk sack. The journal junk sack is the smaller of the three products. It's basically formatted just like the journal box. You just have fewer items. Generally, we will have a journal of some sort, a pen of some sort, maybe some stickers. This is perfect for people who like to journal, people who scrapbook, if you keep planners and you like to decorate them just because looking at them makes you happy, like I do. It's a great way to do it. Time for glasses. We have our journal junk sack card and it gives you all of their socials on the back. And this is the September set. Right on top, I have some stickers. They are pretty. Keep going, keep growing. Always make room for pretty things. Sweet things, warm and cozy. It's starting to have the autumnal theme. How fun is that? This is 308 stickers. So that's just what's on front, but there are pages and pages of them. Here, let me just flip through a few to show you. Look at this one. This one's a lot of words. I enjoy the words. I use a lot of the words in my journaling and in my scrapbooking. Gather, happiness is here with you, let's stay home. So I kind of use it in my planners. If I know we're going out, or I know we're meeting up with friends, or I know we're meeting up with family, or I know we're just gonna have a stay-in date for just the two of us, I like to find the words that match those and put it on that day so that as I flip to that week, I can see the fun is coming. Grateful, thankful, blessed. Start where you are. Home is wherever we're together. Just a girl and her books. Really cute stickers. We also have our affirmation card. These make great bookmarks. They're a great jumping off point. If you're journaling, you can tape them into a scrapbook or put the little 3D stickers on the back and have them pop out. There are lots of little things you can do with these. I just think that it's a great jumping off point for journaling, and generally I use them for bookmarks. You truly make this world a better place. Next we have something in a box. I don't know what this is. Ooh. Oh, that's cute. Steep, sip, repeat. It's a little tea bag holder. So you would make your tea, and after you dunked it and you needed somewhere to set it, or the spoon that you stirred it with, you could use this. I love that it's rimmed in black. It will match my coffee pot very well. I will set it next to that because my husband these days likes tea more than coffee, so he makes himself a lot of tea. I have one of the Ninja systems. I love it. You know what? I will link it below in case anybody's looking for a new coffee pot. I love it because you can use it to make a pot of coffee. You can make individual cups. I do my iced coffee right from it. You take your cup, you put your ice in it. There's a button that says iced coffee. It goes right into it, doesn't melt all the ice. Makes a great cup of coffee. My husband uses it too and just doesn't put anything in the top. So it just gives him really hot water and then he steeps his tea. I will put this right next to that. Having nothing to do with this video, and he can use it for his little tea bags and it will look really nice. That is fantastic. We have our pen, because we almost always get a pen because how else would we write in our journals? I love that this one is black and white. Very grown up, very posh looking. It's a nice heavy weight. It feels really quality. I like that a lot. And then we have our journals. I love the size of these journals. They're called, this is an Elam Journals set of 3. The front is black and white. We can see the back is kind of autumnal pinks. Still pinks, but slightly autumnal. Know me, and I'll be using these in no time, so I might as well go ahead and get them out. We have just this pretty, it's actually black and gray. I thought it was black and white, but it's a really posh black and gray look. How lovely would that look sitting like on your nightstand with this to do your journaling in? Yeah, just regular lined paper on the inside. Oh, at the top, they have the space where you can write the date. I love that. We have the same format, I'm sure, in that pretty pink one. And then this one says, wild and free, let your feelings grow. How perfect is that for journaling? I love the size notebook. That way, part of it is self-serving. I love journaling, but even though I write a lot, and I do fill, you would be amazed at how many of these books I fill. I love these smaller ones because it gives you the opportunity to move on to the next one. You get it filled up, you move along. I use them for keeping notes, for meal planning, Christmas ideas for people, birthday ideas, just a million things that I want. TV shows, like you'll be watching a show and you'll see an ad and my husband will like, hey, we should remember to watch that show. I'll write it down because you know what? Nobody in this house is remembering anything. I love notebooks. Can you tell? In the journals junk sack for September, we got these 3 pretty journals, the pen, these really pretty stickers, and the Steep Sip Repeat tea bag holder. You could do whatever you wanted. If you wanted to, you could set it next to your sink and put your jewelry in it when you do the dishes. That was the journal junk sack. Let's move into the journal junk box. The journal junk box will have the same kinds of theme as the sack. We will just have a few more products and they might be a little bit bigger. This is our September journal prompts. It gives you great questions if you're doing a gratitude journal or you just want to sit down and be thoughtful and mindful each day and write down your thoughts. But some days you sit there and you're like, I just don't know what to write. This gives you ideas like, as the season changes, what personal transformation do you hope to undergo this season? Or reflect on the fruits of your year so far. What achievements are you most proud of? So it really has you introspectively thinking about where your year's gone. And on the back, it tells us a little bit about everything that's in here. Again, the journal junk box card. On the back, it has their socials. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Happy journal, babe. When we get it open, that is what it looks like on the inside. It looks full. This is a nice box of something. Okay, first out, we have washi tape and a peanut. The washi tape, which we also get because it is great for journaling. You can outline things, you can outline dates, you can underline if you just want to make something stick out. We have metallics this month. That is so cool. We have gold, silver, rose gold, and I think it's just a plain white. I don't see any metallic to it. Those are awesome. Next out, we have a candle, pumpkin spiced latte. You know what? I'm assuming this is a candle. It doesn't shake, so there's no powder in it. Let's see if I'm right. I'm right. That is what it looks like on the end. Oh my gosh, the waft of pumpkin spice that just hit me. That is so lovely and strong. I say that in the best of ways. Love the gold glitter on top. In case you're wondering what that is on top, that is gold glitter. A natural hand-poured soy candle, and it is from the Happy Lotus. It smells amazing. Okay, next out we have tags. I love tags. I actually like using the tags on gifts. Like if you get a bag and they have that tag. The first time you use the bag, you can write the name on it. But sometimes somebody will give you a bag and you will take the present out of it and then you have a bag, but the tag has been used unless you have more tags. And you can tie this on and then it's a whole fresh new present all over again. This has thinking of you, hello. That is what it has inside. These are great for journaling and scrapbooking too. You can just use the 3D stickers again to put them in just so you see the front. There are just so many uses for tags. I find them incredibly useful. Next out, one more thing and then I'm getting over in that big box. Next out we have our pens, and it is a heartfelt pen set in lovely autumnal colors. Actually, the back says leaves are falling, autumn is calling, happy fall. I love pens, and I know you guys see me unbox so many pens and you're thinking, how many pens can she use? She can use a lot. I have them next to my chair. I have them in my kitchen, sitting in a drawer. They're all tucked away, but I have them anywhere I could be. I have a pen. What I need to be better at is having also a piece of paper there with it. That is what they look like out of there. They're nice and heavy too. And that's how they write. Actually, these look like pens my husband would like. Those are very pretty. Next out, we're getting into this big box. Let's see why I've become so clumsy. I was planning to go back upstairs because it's fall now to start retaping upstairs again. It's 98 degrees today. Welcome to Maryland, the week after Labor Day, the week of Labor Day, however you would say that. It's 98 today. It's going to be 99 tomorrow. We're breaking records here. It is insane. It is a frame. The sides are acrylic. You could put whatever you wanted in here. Actually, you could use the front and back if you wanted. It slides right into that bottom. There are so many ideas here. You could take a piece of 5x7 cardstock, put a picture on it, do some of your journaling around it, change it out for like each month. So many ideas. That is really cool looking. I like that. If I can think of something clever to put in, I might put it behind me upstairs. That would be fun. Next out, we have paper pieces. These are great for also journaling or using in your scrapbook. They're just little pieces of paper that you can take out and tape in just for design. This is a lot. How many? 40 pieces. This gives you an idea of what is in there. It's just a really fun way to decorate around pictures or in a journal. I love those. We have our stickers. This is Bow Bunny Beautiful Things, 216 pieces. Very fall-like. Love that. I'm so ready for fall. Are you guys ready for fall? So ready. There's just tons. There's a lot of foiled ones in here. I love the foiled ones. These you can just write on. You could put them in your journal, and then you could write, you know, like dentist or, yes, I did just make a dentist appointment, and that is why I keep bringing it up. And last out, we have our journal. This is beautiful. I love the journals that don't have a spine. I can't say binding because the binding is what keeps it together, but the cover, just an open spine. I love those because they always lay amazingly. They're so easy to write in, or if you're using your washi tape, stickers, anything, it makes it so easy to do. Look how beautiful that is for fall. And it is a heartfelt journal. Always say yes to new adventures, and then this journal belongs to. That was our journal junk box. So we have our journal, our stickers, our ephemera paper pieces, our lovely pens, nice fall themed pens, our tags. This was a really big one. This lovely smelling candle was gorgeous. The washi tape, which I always want to call wasabi tape, and our frame, which it's gonna be hard to get in there and show off everything else. That was the journal junk box for September. Another fantastic month. Let's get into the Kids Creative. Last up, we have the Kids Creative. This is quick becoming one of my favorites because I know they say it's for kids, but it always has the most fun things in it. And I know that I do absolutely get things in here that my girls love. Last month, oh my gosh, that 3D thing that stood up that they could color, fantastic. But I also get things in it. I like pins that, like unicorns, that I should share, but I don't always. This says Aqua Adventures September. And the back tells us a little bit about everything that's gonna be in here. This is the Kids Creative box card that we get. Let's dig in. Looks like we've got a snack right on top, goldfish baked. It is the colors ones, and it is in cheddar. That is what it looks like. We have our washi tape in this one too. Oh my gosh, this is mermaids. I'm gonna take it out, but how cute is that? My girls are gonna love that. It's a mermaid, a narwhal. It's just the cutest. And then next to it, it's just kind of like a complimentary sea-ish theme that'll just look nice with it. So much fun. That is from Paper House. Next out, ooh, something very sparkly. How pink. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to throw that up in the air and let the girls scrap over it. What a fun pencil pouch. It's a little hard to open because of the sequins, but it does open. The inside is super soft, no sequins in there. It's super duper pink. Does it stay pink? Yes, but can you tell? You can make them face the other direction. You do. It's a truer, less sparkly pink, but it is very fuchsia-like. Oh my gosh, the girls are gonna love that. So that is the side that I flipped them on. Mostly down here, I missed some up here. But can you see how pink it is? And then when I flip it, it's more shiny and then just regular pink. Can you tell? I hope that comes across. Super fun, the girls will love that. Next out, we have a little notepad. He's squishy. It's like a clamshell type thing, but it's squishy. It says Squishy Notebook. Nailed it. It is from K & Company, and it just says Seashell Squishy. We take it out. That is what it looks like. And this part is super, can you tell? Super squishy. And then on the inside, oh, it's a grid paper. Is it all grid? It is. It's little gridded paper. That's always fun to draw on. Really lets you know your sides, and you could color in the little squares. Someone will love that. Super cute. Next out, we have Color Pencil by Numbers. Oh, and it's fish. That's fun. Oh, I hope there's 2 papers in here. It says it's, oh wow, it says it's for 8 and up. It says it's 12 pieces and there's 10 pencils. So I would say there are 2 different pictures to color. That is perfect. What another fun thing for the kids to do. This one definitely nailed kids. which is what it's supposed to do. It's the Kids Creative. Next we have stickers. How cute are these stickers? It says there's 19 pieces and it's little fishies. Can you tell they're metallic? Ooh. It's fun metallic fishies. That is so cute. They will love that. Stickers are always a winner. Next out, oh, this one's pen. It's a mermaid pen. Little cap comes off. So stinking cute. Oh my goodness. That is perfect. I bet it goes with our notebook. Let's dig our notebook out. Knew it. It's mermaids. How cute is that? This is like a composition book feel, you know, a harder cover, but still kind of flexible. I like that. When we open it up, it's bright pink on the inside, lined paper with that. Oh my gosh, my girls, they will love that. It says it's 100 pieces, composition wide ruled. And that was the Kids Creative. So this month in the Kids Creative, they got this adorable journal sketch, whichever kids want to use it for. Not all kids are ready to journal yet, but all kids love to write in notebooks. I don't know that that's true. Said that because all of our kids love to write in notebooks. Let me know below. Do your kids like to write in notebooks? We also have these color by numbers with the little pencils attached. Look how cute that is. Someone will love that. The cute stickers with the little fishies and turtles and dolphins on it. This adorable, oh my gosh, this pink pencil pouch. Oh my gosh. Squishy notebook. I mean, this is like chef's kiss for my girls. The washi tape with the mermaids on it. Some goldfish for stacking while you're doing all your fun activities. What a fun box. That is the Kids Creative for September. Another great thing. And that brings us to the end of our Journal Junk Apalooza. We have the Journal Junk Sak, the Journal Junk Box, and the Kids Creative. I will put all of the information down below for all three of those products, along with my code that will get you 15% off your first subscription. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here with me. I'm gonna go write something down in one of those nice journals, which to start first. Actually, I think I'm gonna take the black one because I like that with the pen. Oh no, maybe I'll save that for after the fall because I had those nice, oh, one of the fall colored pens with that pinkish notebook. Decisions to be made. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.